Hi YouTube, how y'all doing? Welcome to Chop It Up. I am ROXX-A-MILLIon. Thoughts become things, so let's choose good ones. Today, I'm doing something special. I'm doing Lillie Dillie cake. Lillie Dillie is near and dear to our heart. That's our Lauderdale mama. One of them anyway. We got two of them, but that's one of our Lauderdale mamas. And she always make this lemon cake, and I'm telling you, this cake be so good. And we was in Monticello one weekend, and I actually got a call her making the cake. Oh, dirty martini, baby. Dirty martini. That's what I'm sipping on today. Dry vermouth, some gin, and I use rain. And I also had some the olive juice, and I did a little shaker. And that's that. But she used cake mix and she used Jello with it. I gotta make put out the stuff because you know I like prepping for y'all. So I got to get the oil ready and all that stuff there. But I'm gonna that's what we finna make today in the kitchen. And I'm also so happy that our people really realize what's going on with this Donald Trump government talking about segregation. Yay! Yay! We all we need. We don't need them. We don't need them. We do better without them. And then it'll be time for us not being with them and being with ourselves and stop spending our money with them. All that. So I'm really glad that everybody getting it and not getting tricked on these streets with what he thought he was going to do. He could burn the White House down and we're going to give 2 F's. Believe it. So let me finish prepping everything and getting everything nice and ready to go in the bowl. And I will be doing it, mixing it up, getting together in a few minutes. Okay, YouTube, we finna make Lillie Dillie's cake. And Lillie Dillie, I don't know that I was supposed to make this cake with you, but I want you to see that I am making your cake as I know you wanted me to. And I want you to know that we love you and we praying for you. And I'll see you soon. And I want everybody else to like. I want everybody to comment and subscribe. If it's something y'all want me to cook, let me know. If it's something y'all want to ask me, let me know. Just put it down in the comments. First, I'm going to put in the 2 boxes of cake mix. We're using Dunkin Hines lemon. And then we're adding the Jello pudding mix, lemon as well. This her secret, honey. This cake here make you get down and be trying to find out who done got that last piece up out of them. And that slab you trying to take to the house with you. I'm telling you, this is one good cake. It really is. And to the cake, I'm gonna add the 2 cups of water, a cup of water box, and I'm gonna start. Mixing this up. And some people don't look at none of the directions that's on that Jello lemon, because if you put the milk in here, it'll lock it up. It'll make it too heavy, and it's not gonna come out right. You just gotta keep the same ingredients that the cake have. I'm putting it 1 cup of oil, because each box calls for a half a cup of vegetable oil. I use Crisco. It's 3 eggs per box, but I want to get it really mixed up going good here before I add the eggs in. And it's enough for one of these big roasting pans. I'm going to add the eggs. Just 3 eggs per box, and I'm going to put those in. And the reason why I crack the eggs in the mixing jar so I don't get no shells in it. I look like I see a shell too, y'all. Let me get that out of here. That's a little shell. I see it. That's the main reason why I do it, because I will have a shell in something just to show I do it. I bust it too hard. But I do this just for this reason right here. If it's an egg, a shell in there, I get them up out of there. Nobody don't want to crunch down on no egg shell. And I use brown eggs so I really can see it. Okay. I did that, y'all. I kept that from getting in there. But that's my main reason why I put my eggs in something so I can see, because I don't know why. But it seems like it's always a shell I see in the bottom of it, so I know it will be in whatever I'm cooking. That's why I make sure about that. Accidents happen. I just know they don't feel good when you're eating and you crunch down on an egg shell. Put a sour taste in my mouth. I don't know about y'all. I'm going to let this get real creamy. And then when I come back, we're going to spray the pan. Spraying the pan. Keep the section sticky. And I'm gonna make the glaze, y'all, to put over it. This is a nice dish to take to a cookout, or you invited somewhere, like potluck or something like that. It's cost efficient. It's not expensive to make, and it makes a lot. All right, we're gonna put this in a 350-degree oven. When it's cooked, I'm gonna show y'all how to make the glaze. We need the air bubbles out of here too. Gotta keep dropping like that. See those circles? You want to make sure they bust and come up to the top. Alright, I think that's good enough. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Baby, Lillie Dillie cake looks so good. Oh man, this is beautiful. I just want you to know it's my favorite cake. cake. I know it's not actually red velvet my favorite, but this is my favorite lemon cake. My lemon Lillie Dillie cake. Y'all made that cake. It looked good. And now I'm finna get into making this glaze for it. And what I'm finna do right now, this is a cup and a half of condensed. This is a cup and a half of confectioner's sugar, which is powdered sugar. Condensed sugar, child. I know I could say some things when I never had a couple of these dirty martinis. And now I'm finna, this is 4 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And I'm gonna make it, well, oh, that lemon juice getting on the camera. And I can't have that there, because one of them is 89 cents, y'all, a piece. That's what we dealing with now. Mega eggs and super lemons. Oh, it smells so good and lemony. It's getting thin on us, and that's what we want. Lillie Dillie lemon glaze. She used that the lemon juice that's in the little squeeze thing. But I'm using fresh squeezed lemon juice. I squeezed it myself. Got a whole seed down there, baby. I was gonna pour it back in there. You think I need to pour it back in? No, don't do it. Just pour it over the. Alright, I'm gonna go to the. Oh my Lord. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so now. Man. Whoop, ROXX done did it again. ROXX done did it again. I'm gonna get my baby net now. That's perfect. There it is, y'all. Lillie Dillie lemon cake. Alright, y'all. This Lillie Dillie lemon cake a la mode. I ain't gonna even keep playing with y'all like that. With homemade vanilla Glaze ice cream. Let me show y'all this one. Hit that edge like that. Oh. And take a dollop of the ice cream. Look how that cake bouncing back up off of that ice cream like that. You see where I'm going with this, y'all? You're gonna come off of here. A little crisp right there. A little crisp right there, y'all. You hear that? A little crisp right there on the back end where they crust at. This is really good. And I'm not just saying it because I made it. This is delicious. The glaze, the ice cream, the fresh squeezed lemon, the powdered sugar. This it right here. Like I tell y'all all the time, I wish each and every one of y'all good health, happiness, love, success, prosperity, and money. And let me handle business with this ice cream and cake. Till next time.